Hello, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you remember that I made an unboxing video for the scrapboys paper collections that they sent me. I asked my mom if she would like to make a little project with one of them, and she chose Hello Winter. So this paper, I'm going to show you the an end result project which she used. So this paper collection called Scrap is from the brand Scrapboys, and it's called the collection Hello Winter, and this is what she made with it. I really love it. It's a little folio, really so cute. So oh my gosh, she had a wonderful time using it. I can imagine that. So it's a little folio, and she decorated with some of the bling bling, and this is the back. And this is the closure. Super cool. Super cool. Alright, let me go in. And alright, next thing you will see this wonderful winter scene with this backyard. Super cool. Then you open this up. And I really love folios. Definitely a good idea, Mom, to make another one in the near future. Love it. Alright, so here we have a little swing tab. This opens up. And then we have a nice pocket. There's a nice tag inside. Then we have a nice pocket down here with all those nice cute little tags inside. And on the back there is a bigger pocket. Love this collection. When I asked my mom to choose one of the collections, so if you want to make something with that, I definitely found that this one also was the prettiest one. So my mom and I do have the same taste. Love this image. This is definitely one of my favorite ones. Super cute. And this opens up again, and here she made a lovely big tag with a little 3D in it. Super cute. I love this pocket also. Never did this before, so Mom, you gave me some ideas. Here we have a nice layout also with some 3D leaves at the bottom. This flips to the left. Here we have a flippable pocket, because this flips also to here, and then we have a nice pocket. Look at this, super cute. Here we go, and then this flips all back. Then we go to this page, a little closure. Look at this, oh my goodness, super cool. We have a nice waterfall with a nice decorative edge. Love it. Adding some of the nice pictures. Super cool. And then at the bottom a nice, she did not cut this. Oh, that's a nice idea too. You don't have to cut it, of course. Alright, so you can close this down so it stays all in one place. And then we go to this page. Here we have again a flippable pocket. Look at that fox, super cute. This opens up, and of course you can add on this side also something. And here, but this, yeah, she forgot to put something in here, but that's okay. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. I'm truly amazed on how gorgeous these papers are. Alright, and then this all closes down again, and then you just can use this blue ribbon to tie everything up again. And there you go. A nice little folio, super cute. Alright guys, so that is what my mom made. Super cute idea for a nice small folio. I do not have a tutorial for it. Maybe I will, maybe I don't know, but this is what my mom made after I asked her to use the Scrap Boy paper collection, and she chose Hello Winter. So I'm very happy to share this with you guys. So you will see I do not get only papers and not do anything with it. Sometimes I do ask my mom. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. Thank you, Mom, for making this. I hope you liked it. Give me a big thumbs up. No, give my mom a big thumbs up, of course. And check it out, Scrap Boys paper Hello Winter. Super amazing collection. Love it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.